this week, you will see that, and it did it again. You will see that this is exactly what they're talking about. So if you look at a couple things I marked was figure 5.1, and it talks about the sales funnel. Now, when I was in pharmaceuticals, well, let me start. When I was at Penn, we didn't have a laptop. We didn't have like a prospecting laptop. But when I was with GlaxoSmithKline, I had a laptop of every physician in there, and I could pull data that we had combined. I mean, this is a multi-billion-dollar industry. I can pull data without even Googling it. I can narrow down who I need to be calling on. Then I go in from this prospecting list, and I find people who just aren't going to let me sell to them, and people who are, and people who I really feel like I can convince, and I spend more time there. That's just common sense, right? Okay. Now, you still have to go in and call on people for the first time, and it's super, super awkward. Super, super awkward. It's like going to a party, and you know no one, but you want to have fun at the party. Sales is a party where you don't know anyone, but you've just got to get in there and mix it up every now and then, okay? We have something called the sales funnel. Okay? And it looks just like the ADAPT thing I drew last week, where we have, it's wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. And you might start out with 60 roofers up here and end up with 3 roofers down here. Just like what we're talking about the entire way, okay? So to start, you have to generate sales leads. Now, what happens to the number of leads? Now, this is really, if I could change something here, I'd actually change that to prospects. I really would. Just and as someone who did it, these are prospects. Okay, you have no idea. It's like the NFL draft or the MLB draft. You have no idea if these people are going to make it to the majors or the big time. They're prospects. Okay. Sometimes you have a little guy and he ends up being, quietly like the most busy person, right? Tom Brady was like a 7th round draft pick, 6th round. 6th round? Okay. Ends up being the GOAT, right? No one saw that coming. Okay. So from here, it says, determine. So maybe, you know what? I'm going to change it again. Possibilities. Because we Google it, we got 60 roofers who are possibilities. You know why I changed it? Because I just looked down and said they used the word sales prospect on the next one. So I really awkward, so I don't need anything else slick. But I'm being relational and telling you what's going on in my head, and I hope at some point it kind of endears me to y'all. My little Taiwanese friends, if you can get a visa and want to come learn from me, come on, bro, we're enrolling, man. Got the Bible coming in the fall. Okay?
You know what they think of
Say what now?
Like, what do they think of Dave's or the nightstick? They're probably just like, what the heck?
What kind of?
You make him a full explanation, or?
I mean, it's on you.
Or maybe
It's your
like
show.
the drama. The drama.
What's happening to the number of roofers as we get down here? See what we're doing here. Yeah. Determine who's the prospects. Okay. Prioritize prospects. Then what do? Prepare to sell. Sell, I should say. All right. Then you go in there. Relational sales. Here you got the listening. You got the personality types.
Is selling just one big funnel?
It is the whole thing. It's one big funnel. Remember how I talked about the 99 that you call on? Guess what?